Well, first of all, congratulations on the victory.
Thank you.
What's this Super Bowl weekend mean for you? How are you going to enjoy it?
I'm gonna enjoy it by going. This is the first time my team is actually, in the Super Bowl, especially, me being alive. It's the first time I ever get to witness that, and everybody doubted us at the beginning of the year, saying we started off hot and then we just gonna fold and we gonna fall. But everybody been down there saying we weren't gonna make it here, but we're here now. So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna enjoy myself.
You said you grew up as an Atlanta Falcons fan.
Yeah, I did. But my era growing up, I was there to watch, T.J. Duckett, Ward Dunn, Michael Vick, that whole era. So just being a part of that, seeing the electrifying running that Vick did, seeing the big plays that, all the guys had on our team have contributed to, and then just coming in and seeing the youth that we have now, the way we move the ball on the offensive end, our defense coming around, so it's gonna be special. We don't really have to bring out A game. Tom Brady is a legendary type of quarterback, but I feel like we're gonna put some pressure on him and we're gonna make some noise.
All right, have fun.
Thank you.
Descarga la aplicación de TAP Deportes en tu móvil completamente gratis.